Welcome to lesson number 6 of Alphabet and Pronunciation course. My name is Mustafa Nasser and you are watching Arabic for Nuns. From now on, no more groups of similar shaped letters. The remaining 7 letters of Arabic alphabet are solid letters. We will cover 4 of them in today's lesson and the remaining 3 we will cover them in the next lesson. To see videos on time, subscribe the channel, activate the bell and like the video. The first letter in today's lesson looks like this, and we pronounce it as K. K, just like K sound in English. K. Let's see an example. This word, K, cats. K, cats. A cup. The second letter in today's lesson looks like this. We pronounce it as Le. Normal L sound in English. Le. Like in this word, Le, ليمون. Le, ليمون. The meaning is obvious, right? The third letter looks like this, and we pronounce it as Me. M sound in English. Me, me. Like this word, مدرسة. Me, مدرسة. A school. And the last letter in today's lesson looks like this. We pronounce it as Ne. Ne. In sound in English, Ne. Like نهر. نهر. A river. So again, we have 4 letters. K, Le, Me, and Ne. Now, let's write them down. Okay. Welcome to practice number 6 in the first course, Alphabet and Pronunciation. My name is Mustafa Nasser and you're watching Arabic for Nuns. Today, no more groups of similar shaped letters, only solely letters, each one on its own. The first letter we have in this lesson is letter K. I'll be having the starting point up the line. First, I will do a straight vertical line down until we reach the standard line. We had this step before in the first letter of the Arabic alphabet, letter A. We will do it again here. But when we go down, let me do this step first. I will start from up to down, straight vertical line down. When I reach here, I will do a boat. You know our boat, right? Like this. Okay. This is the body of the first letter in this lesson. And inside here, I will do this shape, which is a small K, like this. Most of the people confuse this shape with Hamza from the first letter. You remember Hamza? Half cycle and sloped line like this. These two are completely different, and we will see more in the next course in shaping. Okay, the second letter in this lesson is letter Le. The first step is the same as this one, this vertical line. We'll start from up. The starting point is up the line. First, we will do a straight vertical line down. Look at that. Until we reach the standard line. And then we will stretch it down to make a circular curve like this. And that's it. This is the second letter. The third one in this lesson is letter Me. We'll start a little up the line. Okay, first we will do curve going below and then going up and then going down a straight vertical line. Look at that. I will do it all at once. From here, curve like this. We go up again and then straight vertical line below the line. Here, we do not close this gap. We will not make it complete cycle. There is a small gap here, as you can see. The last letter in this lesson is very easy. You see this curve here is only one curve, like this. Look at that. And then one single dot here. So this one, letter K, Le, Me, and then Ne. Now, let's do them one more time. Letter K, I will start from up, straight vertical line down, and then a boat. I will do it all at once. Look at that. And then don't forget this shape, like this. Okay, the second one, letter La, the same vertical line, and then circular curve below the line. Look at that. That's all. The third letter, Ma, we start again. It has many curves. One curve, one is going up, and then a straight vertical line down below the line. And the last one is very easy. Letter Na, only a circular curve and one dot on top. I want to practice again what we did in the previous lesson. Remember, we had two groups of similar shaped letters. The first one contains two letters and the other one contains also two. The first group contains A and Gha. We start a little up the line, one small curve, and then one bigger curve, like this. This is letter A, no any dots. The second letter has the same shape. I will do it all in one shot. Small curve and then bigger curve. And don't forget this dot. The second group has letters Fa and Qa. Letter Fa will start a little up the line. We will do one complete cycle and then a boat, like this. And don't forget this dot. Letter Qa, we start from the standard line itself. We will do a cycle and then a circular curve below the line. And don't forget these two dots.